Hello, good morning. I am Rashi Sandip Chudikar. Today's our video topic is why string is immutable in Java. So, we will going to see why string is immutable in Java. In object-oriented programming, the immutable string or object that cannot be modified once it is created, but we can only change the reference to the object. We restrict to change the object itself, and the string is immutable in Java because of the security, synchronization, and concurrency, caching, and class loading. The reason, uh, the reason of the reason of making the string final is to destroy the immutability and not to allow others to extend it. Okay. So the string objects are cached in the string pool and it makes the string immutable. The cached string literals are accessed by multiple clients. So there is always a risk where actions performed by one client affects all other clients. For example, if one client performs an action, if one client can perform an action and changes the string value from pressure or to pressure, all remaining clients will also read that value. For that performance reasons, catching of string objects was important. So to remove that risk, we have to make the string immutable. There are some reasons of making string immutable. That are, the string pool cannot possible if string is not immutable in Java. A lot of heap space is saved by JRE. The same string variable can be referred to by more than one string variable in the pool. The string intent can also not be possible if the string will not be immutable. Next point, that is, if we don't make the string immutable, it will it will pose a serious security the threat to the application. For example, database usernames passwords are passed as a string to receive database connections. The socket programming, host and port descriptions are also passed as a string. The string is immutable, so its value cannot be changed. If the string does not remain immutable, any hacker can cause a security issue in the application by changing the reference value. The string is safe for multi-threading because of its immutableness. Different threads can access a single string instance. It removes the synchronization for thread safety because we make strings thread safe implicitly. Immutability gives the security of loading the correct class by class loader. For example, suppose we have an instance where we try to load java.sql.connection class, but the changes in the referenced value to the hacked myhack.connection class does unwanted things to our database. Let us understand immutable string in Java with an example. If we have created one class that is immutable string, in main method we have given string new string equals to double quotes hello, and new string dot concat brackets in double quotes world. Then sysout, in sysout we will write new string, and the output will be uh, first the output will be hello. Okay. Now, description for that, we have seen above example, that is, in the string constant pool the hello remain unchanged and a new string object is created with the hello world. It shows that the strings are immutable. The reference variable points to the hello, not to the hello world. If we want that it refers to the hello world, we have to explicitly assign it to that variable. We have created another class that is immutable string. In that main method, we have that given string new string in double quotes hello, and new string equals to new string dot concat and double quotes world. Sysout, we will write new string, and then output will be hello world. Thank you.